Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, we are in an Icon FJ40 built in the new school style. It was born in 1971 and revolutionized in 2025. It is the 190th FJ that we have built. And, wow, how cool is that? I'm thrilled that that many people have embraced the FJ series with Icon. It's our longest running model. This one, in fact, is like the truest to the original concept of Icon in its color palette, musical design package. Obviously, we're multiple generations of evolution in. This is what we call Gen 3, our current evolution. It is finished in the volcanic black color palette with the black top and the black trim. Being a new school edition, it has the front bull bar with the integrated Warren winch and aux LED flush face lighting. It has the rear bumper with the carrier assemblies and a Class 2 hitch receiver, hidden storage compartments. And for nostalgia's sake, we run the stock vintage 75 in your FJ40 rear taillight assemblies, although we do 3D print the B-side taillight guards because the stock one sucked. These are more comprehensive, and we also upgrade to LED bulbs. In fact, every bulb in an Icon is LED. Big fan of how well light-emitting diode technology has evolved in recent years. So volcanic black, new school, black top, black Burnham milled and tumbled leather, which has a nice moderately distressed finish to it. We've become a big fan of this. Sometimes we perforate it, sometimes we don't. In this case, we did not. This truck does have the machined Icon logos on the backs of the front seats. We are running the buckets in the front with the 2-stage carbon fiber heat blankets, and we are running probably the most popular for the rear seat options. We offer jump seats, and in the case of this truck, it's the tuck and tumble 2-passenger bench seat. We have 3-point belts for all 4 seating positions. We are running the black Heart Garden square weave rugs, rubber backed, lined in Dynamat, edged in the leather. We did not do the leather wrap on the steering wheel on this one. We left it straight forward, right out of the box Icon wheel with this one pewter Icon lizard in the center of the wheel. That's fit on a tilt column that is also collapsible, so you don't eat the steering column should you get in a wreck, which I sure hope you never do, but these things do happen, so we try and think ahead. New school stock, Icon stock, dash layout with machined gauge cluster, glove box door, and center mounted clock. You have the machined aluminum enamel infilled control knobs, lights, wipers, and climate control. We have the aux reverse light on this truck. We also have the ones in the front that I mentioned. Both are controlled by the stainless steel underdash toggles. We have mechanically the LS3, so that's about 440 horse, 450 torque. It is a aluminum block. We use the truck intake and injectors. The rest is pure LS3 stuff. We're running an automatic in this one, a 4L65E automatic with overdrive, which in turn sends power through to the Atlas 2 twin stick, shift on the fly, 2-speed, part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case. Axles are Dana-based architecture from our dear friends at Curry Industries, so completely new assemblies, every nut and bolt and housing. Those assemblies are powder coated for durability. This truck has the ARB optional locking differentials in the front and rear axles. with dedicated ARB air compressor. For other compressed air duties, we fit the far more capable Air air compressor. That's fit in under the hood. And then we have the Icon Sport suspension, nitrogen charged, tunable, adjustable rebound rates, remote canisters, stainless plumbing, IBOC coils, tunable sway bars. Of course, we're running the beloved Icon Brembo Sport brakes. So those are hydro boost powered, 6 pistons in the front, 4 pistons in the rear, and they work really, really, really well. Exhaust on this truck is fully stainless steel, mandrel bent. It is black ceramic coated. And there you go on mechanical, 13 10-year joints, obviously custom drive shafts. We have our proprietary Griffin radiator with electric fans, PWM controlled. We have in-dash heat vent and AC based on the Gen 5 unit from Vintage Air with machined in-dash 4 quantity vents, and you can push to close the ones if you want to hog all the air. If you're that guy or driving by yourself, I'm not here to judge. The other interior details include the optional door map pockets as well as the cargo map pockets. Those run as sports equipment grade nets, and then there's a little squishy thing that we get from our buddies at Nike to adjust it depending on age and wear. And the frames for those are machined aluminum, and they are, again, powder coated in volcanic black. We've got the rose and sun visors. We've got the automatic dimming powered rear view mirror, the beloved Icon powder coated aluminum rear view mirrors, and just kind of all the details that makes an icon are present in this truck. Art Morrison chassis with unique coilover suspension all the way around. What a difference. Anyone who's had any significant drive time in a stock FJ40 with leaf spring, or even the best of the aftermarket leaf spring, know that this is a wildly different experience. You just can't compare leaf spring with coilover, let's face it. It's a big part of Icon, and the first thing I doubled down and invested all profits into after, what was it, about probably 10 trucks when we made that changeover, and ain't never looking back. Perfectly happy with it. Audio system is the Icon Elevated with Focal K2 speakers with separates. The amp and the bass are hiding underneath the driver's seat. Space under the passenger seat is left alone and accessible, so you can fit a backpack under there. Also, that seat is designed to tuck and tumble forward to allow ingress and egress to the rear and from the rear. Seats with comfort, relative comfort, still a 2-door. Let's face it, if you're going to pack 4 more people in routinely, we would recommend getting our FJ44. Those can seat up to 7, and just by having 4 full-size doors, it's a big cheat, it's a big benefit. That being said, the short wheelbase of the FJ40, when it is trail time, cannot be beat. These things have an incredible turning radius, quite maneuverable, and you can pretty much shove them up any creek bed or canyon you might find. Well, sometimes our old CJ3B could cram itself for places that the FJ is too big to fit, but I don't think you'll find it a problem. Tons of fun, plenty of access. What else have we got? We have the optional Icon fire extinguisher, the machine gas pedals, and that elevated audio runs the NEX series head unit from Pioneer that's quite capable. So you have Bluetooth, you have navigation, you've got reverse camera, you have tetherless CarPlay. There are multiple USB charge ports. Some are tied, one is tied to the head unit. The other two are integrated into the stainless steel powder coated console. So you can charge all the devices. We all just somehow seem to be unable to live without these days. So there you go. I shall now shut up. Before I shut up, I shall thank you for your time and attention and support for the company. We all really appreciate it. Reach out with any questions. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook too, but really I just recycle all the Facebook content. Facebook is not where all the action is at, it's Instagram. So there you go. Be well, and we will see you soon.